ZOGGS, we specialize in recycling and upcycling and repurposing material. So our main emphasis is on repurposing, and one of our top products is our paper mache range. Where we do the plates, bowls, dishes, we do kids' rattles, we do all sorts. And then if you look over there, we do repurposing tins. So we do the tuna tins. Those are your baked bean tins. It's all about rethinking your rubbish.
That's great.
So we just close our eyes and we throw things in the bin, and we go into your bins, dig it out, and try and figure out what we can use it for. So that's our main emphasis, and that's why we like partnering with Bantwana, who does the repurposing of your sweet wrappers and your sweet wrappers and your chip wrappers. So that's why we are very excited to have them in our shop as well. So
these are pencil cases.
The pencil cases and little makeup bags. Here you got your marshmallows.
Oh my word!
Your diddle daddles.
We even have the Maysville brand.
Yes.
This is so beautiful.
So this is all stuff that, again, what they're doing is rethinking their rubbish or what other people are throwing out. It's free. People throw it in the dustbin. They don't want it anymore. We all have to start rethinking our rubbish.
Oh wow. The giraffes.
Yep, the good old giraffes. That's quite iconic. And then one of our original items before even the dishes were our paper mache creatures. Again, made out of recycled paper, and all to promote saving.
Oh, these are like piggy banks.
Yeah, they're all piggy banks. So we've done, and then we introduced. So obviously the piggy was the original creature, and then we went with the elephants.
Elephant pigs.
And we are at the moment working on a rhino as well. And then we've got the gundis. A lot of these designs were from my original tin man, Thomas Lukele, who we worked together for years and years and years, but he passed away during COVID, so it was really, really sad. So thank you. It was a bit of shocker. What else do we have? Oh, and then I mentioned Natalie. She's also somebody who lives in Eswatini, and these beads were actually made here in Eswatini by a group of ladies long ago, and Natalie was given them. Oh, I think she actually bought the crates of them, but we know the ladies. They're local to Malkerns, and she's now making them into these really, really awesome.
Beautiful stuff.
Yeah. I think 100% of the stuff. Yeah. Nothing. Oh, apart from our little craft corner there, everything else is 100% made here in Eswatini.
I think I've learned something. But trash is not trash. This is
like
beautiful.
It's another man's treasure.
I know,
treasure.
right? Yo, this is like in the literal sense.
Yes.
Yo.
Rethink your rubbish. Yeah. Before you throw it away, give it a good think. You know, what can I do with it? What can I make it into?
Guys, we have learned a lot from ZOGGS. Another man's trash is another man's treasure. What we throw out, they turn into something creative and very beautiful. I think we've seen that stuff. So I think a lesson is rethink what you throw. Your trash is not trash. Your trash can be turned into something else, something very creative, something you can use. So please support ZOGGS.